Deep within the constellation of Pegasus, a celestial ballet unfolds, a tight grouping of 5 galaxies known as Stephan's Quintet. Join us as we embark on a cosmic journey, exploring the intricate dance of galaxy types and their captivating interactions in this dense celestial environment. Stephan's Quintet unveils its grand arrangement through ground-based observations. Here, the galaxy cluster takes shape, setting the stage for the breathtaking cosmic spectacle we're about to witness. With the Hubble Space Telescope, we peer deeper into the cosmic canvas, capturing intricate details of Stephan's Quintet. This close-up view reveals the delicate features and cosmic stories that unfold within each galaxy. Switching to the infrared perspective of the Spitzer Space Telescope, a new dimension emerges. Cool gas and dust come to life, painting a serene backdrop for the dynamic dance of stars, revealing an unseen narrative of cosmic evolution. The James Webb Space Telescope enters the stage, unveiling unprecedented depth and resolution. With its advanced infrared vision, we peer even further into the heart of Stephan's Quintet, uncovering hidden realms that elude the eye. Turning our attention to the realm of high-energy dynamics, the Chandra X-ray Observatory reveals a pulsating energy that ignites the space between and within the galaxies. Witness the intense interplay of forces, as supermassive black holes blaze brightly in X-rays. Now, let's focus on the individual galaxies within Stephan's Quintet. This spiral galaxy emerges in vivid detail, its pink star-forming regions and blue young stars painting a picture of vibrant cosmic activity. Further exploration reveals elliptical galaxies, showcasing their mature composition in both infrared and visible light. These galaxies, dominated by older stars, add their own unique stories to the cosmic narrative. Dive into the heart of a barred spiral galaxy, where few star-forming regions and irregular spiral arms create a mesmerizing cosmic scene. An active supermassive black hole at its core blazes in X-rays, as its energy ripples through the universe. As the galaxies of Stephan's Quintet interact, their cosmic ballet takes on new forms. Witness the evidence of past encounters, from tidal tails to stretched-out spirals, each collision crafting a unique narrative in the cosmos. As technology advances, so does our ability to unravel the mysteries of Stephan's Quintet. With cutting-edge observatories on the horizon, who knows what new revelations await? Stephan's Quintet, a symphony of light and energy, reminds us of the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of our universe. Through the diverse lenses of multi-wavelength exploration, we uncover the rich tapestry of stories etched across the cosmos. Join us next time as we venture further into the cosmos, seeking new frontiers of knowledge and wonder.